Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a fun item that I found that's part of the Sanrio celebration for Easter here in Japan. And I was actually able to get things at half price because it's just after Easter, so it was a good time for me to pick stuff up, but then to share with you guys. So normally these things would be, 700 yen or more. This is a half off item, so the price it's listed is another half off, so I'm barely paying $2 for it, which is a pretty good deal. It's just a little collection of cookies to help celebrate Easter and or springtime, and it's the Little Twin Stars series, and so the cookies are Little Twin Stars. Now these first ones up here are just your normal standard sort of like cookie. They're similar to Oreo cookies in that they're like a sandwich type that has either chocolate cream or strawberry cream inside, and then there's some cookies that come with it. This was probably actually part of a series to help celebrate White Day, which is actually the 14th of March, to help, because a lot of people like to give cookies for that. Let me crack it open here so you guys can see what's inside. But you get these individually wrapped cookies. So, like I said, there's a couple of these ones here that are just little cute little butter, like sugar cookies that have the artwork on them of Kiki and Lala, or the Little Twin Stars. So you get like a white cookie with a little artwork design on it here, and then which is super cute. And I don't think there's very much art duplication for these. And then there's the darker ones, the chocolate ones with the artwork on them too. I think this and the other ones might be somewhat similar, but you still are getting a really cute little cookie for a pretty good price. So it can be a good place to check out when you're shopping for fun things. Keep in mind that they might be available, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!